Imagine a world where luxury, performance, and futuristic design merge into one breathtaking creation, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of what happens when automotive excellence meets architectural brilliance. Bugatti has redefined what it means to travel in style, transforming the traditional motorhome into a rolling masterpiece that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction film. At first glance, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome immediately captures attention with its stunning exterior. The front profile is bold and aerodynamic, featuring Bugatti's signature horseshoe grille, elegantly integrated into a sleek metallic body that glows under the light. The massive curved windshield stretches across the cabin, giving an uninterrupted panoramic view of the road ahead. LED light strips trace the edges, creating a futuristic aura, while the gold-accented wheels add a touch of royal sophistication. Every curve, every vent, and every panel has been sculpted to perfection, not just for beauty, but for aerodynamic efficiency. From the side, the vehicle's grandeur becomes even more apparent. This is not a simple motorhome, it's a mobile palace. The body flows in smooth, continuous lines, merging the spirit of a hypercar with the elegance of a luxury yacht. Expansive glass panels reveal glimpses of the opulent interior inside. At night, the soft glow of ambient lighting spills through the tinted windows, turning the Bugatti Motorhome into a luminous spectacle on wheels. It's designed to dominate the road both in presence and performance, commanding attention wherever it goes. And speaking of performance, while Bugatti has not officially released powertrain details, one can only imagine what's under the hood. Given the brand's legacy, it's safe to assume this machine is not just luxurious, it's powerful. Think hybrid or fully electric propulsion with immense torque, delivering smooth yet exhilarating acceleration. The suspension system would be adaptive, ensuring a glide-like ride even on rough terrain. Bugatti's commitment to engineering perfection guarantees that this motorhome would handle with the precision of a sports car, despite its massive size. Step inside, and you enter a realm of absolute luxury. The interior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome feels like a five-star penthouse on wheels. The craftsmanship is exquisite, every surface lined with premium materials such as fine leather, carbon fiber, polished aluminum, and marble accents. The lighting is soft and atmospheric, creating a calm, elegant mood. Panoramic glass walls offer breathtaking views, while smart tint technology ensures privacy at the touch of a button. The living area is designed for both comfort and sophistication. Plush seating, a minimalist entertainment console, and sculptural furniture pieces make the space feel more like a designer lounge than a vehicle cabin. There's a dining section equipped with an automatic serving system, and a compact yet luxurious kitchen outfitted with high-end appliances. Every inch is meticulously optimized for function and elegance. Moving to the upper level, the master suite offers a king-sized bed, adaptive lighting, and walls that can display digital art or scenic views in real time. The ensuite bathroom rivals those in luxury hotels, complete with a rainfall shower, gold fixtures, and mirror-finished surfaces. Even the cockpit area reflects Bugatti's DNA, featuring a digital interface inspired by the Chiron, with haptic controls, advanced navigation systems, and full AI assistance for autonomous driving. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the motorhome. Voice commands control lighting, temperature, and entertainment. The onboard AI can plan routes, find luxury stops, and even adjust the driving dynamics depending on road conditions. It's a complete smart ecosystem on wheels, built for those who expect nothing less than perfection. From the rear, the Bugatti Motorhome maintains its striking design identity. The LED taillights sweep across the width, forming a distinctive glowing arc, while the gold accents and sculpted panels highlight its futuristic aesthetic. Even when stationary, the vehicle looks like it's in motion, elegant, powerful, and alive. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome isn't just about luxury travel, it's about redefining mobility itself. It's for those who believe the journey should be as extraordinary as the destination. A vehicle like this represents the pinnacle of design and innovation, a dream that turns the open road into a runway of art, speed, and sophistication. In the end, the Bugatti Motorhome is not simply transportation, it's a vision of the future, crafted for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. It's where performance meets paradise, and every mile becomes a masterpiece.